I have spent months testing AI tools on this channel. 3 of them have genuinely changed how I work as a content creator and freelancer. In this video I am going to rank all 3 honestly: Fieldy, Krisp, and Vista Social, tell you exactly what each one does for freelancers, and tell you which one to start with first. No hype. Just honest rankings based on real testing. Tool number 1, Fieldy. Fieldy is a wearable AI note-taker. You wear it on your wrist or around your neck. It records every conversation automatically, transcribes it in real time, and generates a summary with action items. It works offline for up to 3 hours without needing your phone. It supports over 100 languages. And it now connects directly to Claude and ChatGPT through MCP, so your AI assistant can search your conversation history. For freelancers, Fieldy solves the biggest problem in client meetings. You stop taking notes and start actually listening. Every promise, every decision, every action item, captured automatically. I rank Fieldy number 1 because it works in situations no other tool covers: in-person conversations, offline environments, and real-world meetings where you cannot open a laptop. Tool number 2, Krisp AI. Krisp is a software tool that sits on your computer during online calls. It does 2 main things for freelancers. First, noise cancellation. Krisp removes background noise, echo, and cross-talk so your clients hear only your voice, even if you work from a noisy home or cafe. Second, AI meeting notes. Krisp automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes every online meeting. Action items are extracted automatically. Notes can be pushed directly to HubSpot, Salesforce, or Slack. For freelancers who do most of their client work on Zoom or Google Meet, Krisp is genuinely essential. You sound more professional on every call and you never have to write meeting notes manually again. I rank Krisp number 2 because it is software only. It does not work for in-person conversations, but for online calls it is the best tool I have tested. Tool number 3, Vista Social. Vista Social is an AI-powered social media management platform. For freelancers who manage social media for clients, it puts everything in one dashboard. You connect all your client accounts: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and more. The AI post writer generates content automatically. The unified inbox collects every DM and comment from every platform in one place. Reports let you send professional client reports in one click. DM automations reply to messages automatically. And it now includes AI image and video generation. I rank Vista Social number 3 not because it is less useful, but because it serves a specific type of freelancer. If you do not manage client social media, you do not need it. But if you do, it replaces 3 or 4 separate tools and saves hours every week. Here is the honest comparison. These 3 tools do not compete with each other, they complement each other. Fieldy handles in-person conversations and offline recording. Krisp handles online calls and noise cancellation. Vista Social handles client social media management. A fully equipped freelancer could use all 3, but you do not need to start with all 3 at once. Which one should you start with? If you do a lot of in-person client meetings, start with Fieldy. The free plan lets you try it immediately and the wearable device is genuinely different from anything else available. If most of your client work happens on Zoom or Google Meet, start with Krisp. The 7-day free trial gives you full access and the noise cancellation alone is worth it. If you manage social media for clients, start with Vista Social. The free trial covers every feature so you can test it properly before paying. All 3 links are in the description. My honest verdict: Fieldy is the most unique of the 3 because nothing else does what it does. Krisp is the most immediately useful for most freelancers because almost everyone does online calls. Vista Social is the most specialized, genuinely powerful if social media management is your freelance service. All 3 links are in the description. free trials available for all three. Full tutorial playlists for each tool are also linked below. Subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews every week. See you in the next video.